Hey, what's up guys? In this particular video, I will be showcasing you two different methods to take a screenshot on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's begin the video. Starting with the first method, and it is using the palm swipe gesture. To take this screenshot, you just need to swipe the palm from left to right or right to left to take a screenshot. If that method is not working for you, you just need to open up your settings, scroll down towards advanced feature, tap on that, scroll down and tap on motion and gesture. Now at the end, you will find the palm swipe to capture toggle button. Turn this on and you can easily use this method. Now if you have the screen protector on your device, go to your setting and then display, enable the touch sensitivity, and now you will be able to take the screenshot using the palm swipe gesture. A two-button combination method to take a screenshot is a good option if you want to take a screenshot of your lock screen. However, you can use this method on any page. To use this method, you need to press the volume down button and the power button simultaneously. You can find them on the right side of the device. Now quickly press and release both of these buttons together. Holding these buttons brings the power menu instead of taking the screenshot. So quickly press and release the keys. It will save the screenshot to the gallery. So guys, these are the two simplest methods through which you can take a screenshot on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.